Hey, want to make college more affordable for your kids or grandkids? Here are 2 key strategies to help you save and reduce out-of-pocket expenses. First, start saving as early as possible. Time is your best friend when it comes to building a college fund. Consider using tax-advantaged vehicles like a 529 account. These accounts allow your savings to grow tax-free. And withdrawals for qualified education expenses are not taxed either. Even small contributions over time can add up. The earlier you start, the more you can take advantage of compound growth. Next, look for ways to reduce your out-of-pocket costs. Encourage kids and young adults to apply for scholarships. They're like free money that does not need to be paid back. Also, learn about federal student aid programs, which include options like work-study programs, which allow students to earn money while they study. Every dollar saved or earned through these programs is a dollar less you'll need to cover. Plus, it helps your kids and young adults build responsibility and work experience. Remember, start saving early and explore all the options to reduce costs. With the right planning, college can be within reach for your kids or grandkids. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips from TIAA.